This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Margot McFarland. You will be absolutely mesmerized by the views from every level of this home. Very few homes in all of Hampton Roads boast this spectacular, unimpeded view of the water. But if that's not enough, the house itself is pure perfection. Beautifully designed and executed, and impeccably maintained. Most windows have hurricane shutters. Top floor HVAC was replaced in 2021 and roof in 2020. Kitchen and baths are stunning. Tons of storage and closets throughout, including an attic that could be easily finished to add square footage. 5 balconies. Built to withstand Category 3 hurricane. Office could be a 5th bedroom. Outside shower. Flood insurance is right under $800 per year and believed to be assumable. The policy is also included in the documents. For more information, review the details below.